Hello beautiful people, and this video is about an intro, how I start the vlog. So join me, come on. Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to May Filipina Vlog. And beautiful people, welcome to May Filipina Vlog. And for today's video, I gonna so for all the vloggers out there, how do you start your vlog? Hello beautiful people, and welcome to May Filipina Vlog. And for today's vlog, I'm gonna show you, I think that's enough. Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to May Filipina Vlog. Is that okay? Or hello beautiful people, and you're welcome to May Filipina Vlog. Is that okay? Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope I can be a better vlogger, and see you in my next vlog. Bye!